Hi. In this video, we'll show you how to install Bitdefender on another device. Installing protection on all devices covered by your subscription is the next best thing you can do after choosing Bitdefender for protection. It's about staying safe in an unsafe world. And the best way you can do this is to secure your devices faster than hackers can attack them. Let's get started. Open your web browser and visit central.bitdefender.com. Sign in with your Bitdefender Central account. Select My Devices in the sidebar. Then click the plus sign, Install Bitdefender products on your devices. A new window will pop up. Choose Security. If you are on the device you want to install Bitdefender on, choose this device. Then follow the on-screen steps to install Bitdefender on the current device. If you are not accessing Central from the device that you wish to protect, choose Other Devices in the selection screen and send yourself a download link via email. Enter the email address to which you want to receive the download link and click Send. Next, go to the other device on which you want to install Bitdefender. Open the email received from Bitdefender and click the Download Now button. Press Download and install. On smartphones and tablets running Android or iOS, you will be redirected to Play Store, respectively App Store, to install Bitdefender Mobile Security. On Windows PCs and Macs, the Bitdefender installation kit will be downloaded directly to the device. Simply run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen steps to start protecting your desktop or laptop. If you need help with the installation process, check out our videos on how to install Bitdefender on Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender support website.